Thanks for tuning into my Bollywood body. मैं आपका होस्ट हूं and we are back with Priya. See, one shot after taking 25 retakes. आज आपके साथ जो हमने वर्कआउट शेयर करना है it's called fat loss workout that you can do at home. Tons of videos हमने पहले भी आपके साथ शेयर की हुई हैं, but you know what? We've got the new face, the new model, the new vibe, the new aura. So why not? You know what? Start all over again. So ये वर्कआउट 30 से 35 मिनट का है जो कि लेडीज या लड़के आप हॉलीडेज पे गए हुए हैं. You're in a hotel. Cheating on your wife, but just saying, you are in an office, wherever you are, you can do these exercises without any equipment. Stretching कर लें, stretching makes you less prone to injuries. उसके बाद पहली exercise, let's go girl, we're going to do 4 sets of 50 high knees. Face the camera and go. 1, 2, 3, 4. High knees are you going up and down. Imagine आप एक जगह पे खड़े होकर running कर रहे हैं, not like a zombie, bring it down. Here we go, keep going, here you go. Nice and slow. Focus should be on your breathing. नाक से सांस अंदर, मुंह से सांस बाहर. 50. जब भी आप टैप करते हैं, 1 हो गया, 2 हो गया, 3 हो गया, 50 हो गए, that's it, take a break. 30-second break, 50 repetition, 30-second break. टोटल आपने इसके 4 सेट बनाने हैं. Every time you finish an exercise, जैसे 4 सेट हमने बनाए हाई नीज के, take a longer break, 1.5 से 2 मिनट की ब्रेक. आपने पानी पीना है, BCA पीनी है, Gatorade पीना है. Then in your longer break after the exercise, you're allowed to drink, not between the sets, because sets के बीच में it's a very minimal, छोटी सी 30 सेकंड की आपकी ब्रेक है. Moving on to your second exercise, we're going to do jumping jacks. Let's go girl. We're going to do 3 sets of 20 jumping jacks. मास्टर ने थोड़ी पीटी सारी जिंदगी कराई होनी ऐसी you know जम्मे पल्ले उधर दी हैं. मैं गबरू शेर पंजाब दा, मेरी शेरा वर्गी जान, मैं चुंगी मज्जा बूरियां मैंने डोले उत्ते मान आ बीबी दा पिछे कराई जाते jumping jacks. But what you're going to do is see what she's doing. Full limb action. आप अपनी टांगे भी यूज करें, आप अपने बाजू भी यूज करें, कोर भी इन्वॉल्व है. फोकस नाक से सांस अंदर, मुंह से बाहर. 3 sets, 20 repetitions, 30-second break. 20 repetitions, 30-second break. All together 3 sets. Take a longer break after 3 sets. High knees is basic. Jumping jacks is a little bit more advanced. Now we're going to get into your squat jumps. I want you to do 3 sets of 20 squat jumps. So I want you to do 5, 6 this way and 5, 6 sideways so they get a better idea. Let's go girl. Squat, jump up. So आप बैठक लगाते हो and then you know explosive. So आप when you thrust up, आप अपने सारे quad को use करते हो. When you land, you're using your quads, hamstrings and your glutes. Sit and thrust up. Here we go. See, nice and slow. 20 repetitions, 30-second break. 20 repetitions, 30-second break. Total आपने stretch करके इसके 5 set बनाने हैं. 100 squat jumps all together, and that's about it, girl. Back सीधी रखनी है, नाक से सांस अंदर, मुंह से सांस बाहर. And this is your third exercise of the day. Take a longer break. Moving on to your fourth exercise, space in. We're going to do 4 sets of 55 feet. So this is हमने आपके स्टेमिना के ऊपर काम किया, हमने आपकी लोअर बॉडी स्ट्रेंथ पे काम किया. Now we're working on your speed. Faster, 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 faster. 50, 30-second break. 50, 30-second break. और उसके भी total अब आपने that's about it. 4 set बनाने हैं. So see, we worked on your stamina, we worked on your lower body strength. Now we work on your agility, we work on your speed. Now we're going to move on to your upper body strength. So upper body strength is, it's a full body workout without any equipment जो कि आप घर पे कर सकते हैं, ऑफिस में कर सकते हैं, किसी वेकेशन पे गए हैं, होटल में कर सकते हैं. Let's go girl, we're going to do 5 sets of 10 push-ups, घुटने नीचे रख के. By this time, see, अगर तो आप बहुत स्ट्रॉन्ग हैं, आप अपने पैरों के ऊपर कर सकते हैं, लेकिन a lot of beginners, a lot of ladies watch our channel जिन्होंने कभी वर्कआउट नहीं किया, या वो बंदे जो you know छुट्टियों पे हैं लेकिन सोर नहीं होना चाहते. This is an ideal way of pumping the you know adrenaline. आपकी बॉडी के अंदर you know जोश आ जाएगा. बेसिक वर्कआउट 30-35 मिनट के. Nice and slow. बैक सीधी नीचे जाना है, चेस्ट स्ट्रेच करानी है, कोर टाइट करना है all the way up. That's about it, girl. Once that is done, we're going to finish it off with the last exercise of the day. Face that way, or this way, or that way, or that way, doesn't matter. Okay, we're going to do 5 sets of 10 burpees. So we're not doing push-up because हमने push-ups अलग हमने पहले कर लिए हैं. We use push-up as an upper body strength exercise. Burpees, we're going to use a full body fat loss workout. So we're going to do 5 sets of 10. Let's go, girl. Jump up, down, back, back, jump up. Perfect. So this is a very advanced version of a burpee. It's not a beginner burpee, but again, if you can wrap up this workout in 35 minutes, hoo-ha, this is the workout that you gotta do. 5 sets, 10 burpees with 30-second breaks in between. That's about it, girl. And that's about it. So एक और चीज़ मैं आपको बताना चाहता हूँ कि डाइट इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. सो यू वांट टू मेक श्योर कि यू वांट टू हैव अ बेनिफिट आउट ऑफ दिस काइंड ऑफ वर्कआउट. मेक श्योर आपकी डाइट जो है इज़ ऑन पॉइंट. साथ ही साथ मंडे, वेडनेसडे एंड फ्राइडे के दिन मैं इंस्टाग्राम के ऊपर @mybollywoodbody अकाउंट के ऊपर लाइव आता हूँ मुंबई टाइम शाम के 7 बजे. अगर आप चाहते हैं मैं आपको लाइव लूँ या आपके किसी क्वेश्चन का लाइव जवाब दूँ, मेक श्योर चेक इट आउट ऑन इंस्टाग्राम. फॉलो हर ऑन इंस्टाग्राम
Josie Argento.
Josie Argento, and make sure if you have any question related to, she's a car mechanic, so if you have any questions about cars, make sure
my way.
send them her way. If you have any questions about online coaching, about personal training, you live in a greater Toronto area, you want to hire as a personal trainer, as an online coach, as a bikini coach, or if you just want to support her at upcoming bodybuilding and fitness shows, Josie Argento on Instagram. Till then, mwah, that's it. There you go. See, I go right up on the